Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. Today though, we're going to do something a little different. Lately, my guilty pleasure has been cinnamon buns and I cannot wait to share this recipe with you. So let's get started. First, we're going to get ourselves some warm water, about 110 degrees, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Let's leave this for about 10 minutes to let it get all frothy. If it doesn't get frothy, that means that your yeast has passed its prime and you'll need to go and get yourself some new yeast. Next, we're going to add in 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll beat this for about a minute or so. Add in the yeast mixture and then let's add 3 cups of flour. Stir until combined. Knead the dough for 3 minutes. The dough shouldn't stick to clean, dry fingers, so if it does, just add some flour, about a tablespoon at a time. But make sure you don't add too much flour though. Let it rise for 1 hour in a warm and draft-free place. Then we're going to combine 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. We'll set these aside for now. We might as well grease our baking dish too. This one is 9 by 13. All right, our dough is looking like it's doubled in size. Let's roll it out to roughly 17 by 10 inches. Now we'll spread 6 tablespoons of butter over our dough and sprinkle our cinnamon sugar. I've cut them into little pieces to let them soften faster. Okay, let's roll up our dough along the long side. And then we can cut it into 12 pieces. Place the pieces into a greased baking dish and let it rise again for another hour. Once it's done rising, bake at 350 degrees for about 22 to 25 minutes. While our cinnamon buns are baking, we can make our cream cheese frosting. Combine 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of icing sugar. Beat until smooth. Once that's done, we can work on our drizzle. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter and then add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and half a tablespoon of milk and stir. Turn off the heat and set aside. Yay, they're done! Let's drizzle our brown sugar butter on them. We'll let them cool for 10 minutes before frosting. And here it is, friends! Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, please leave a comment below on how it turned out. I'd love to know. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, friends. Mwah.